Welcome to Hello Raye. In this video, we will show you how to download our Chrome extension, which allows users to easily upload any item online to a board on Hello Raye. This makes it easier to share products with your team, as well as draw inspiration from outside sources. The first step to install is opening your Google Chrome application. Then, in the search bar, type Hello Raye Chrome. Click on the chrome.google.com link, and then navigate over to Add to Chrome. Next, to enable the extension, click Add Extension. I prefer to have the extension pinned to my taskbar, so to do that, I will click the puzzle piece, navigate to Hello Raye, and then click the pin. It will now display in my taskbar. From here, the extension is ready to use. Simply navigate to any product that you would want to add to your Hello Raye board. From there, find the product and right-click on it. Then navigate down to Add to Board. Doing this brings you to HelloRaye.com, where you are easily able to reclassify the product information. When you finish editing, click Add, and the product is now in your board. In order to view the product, you'll have to go back to HelloRaye.com. Navigate to the board's icon to the right. It looks like a file. And then find the board that you saved the product on. Once you open it, you will find your product there. For more information on boards, I invite you to view our guide linked below. In addition, our site has so many useful features. I encourage you to view more of our videos to learn how to fully utilize our tools. Once again, welcome to Hello Raye.